Need to know how to send disappearing messages on WhatsApp using your iPhone? This feature automatically deletes messages after a set time. In this video, I'll show you how to enable and use disappearing messages on WhatsApp. So, let's get started. Method 1. Open the WhatsApp app. After that, tap on the settings below. Now tap Privacy. Scroll down. Tap Default Message Timer under the disappearing messages. Set the timer for disappearing messages like 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days. After choosing the time, start a new chat. Send a message, and this message will disappear after the selected time. Method 2. Go to the WhatsApp app again. Tap Chats from below. Next, open a chat. Now tap on the contact name from the top. Now scroll down. Find the disappearing messages. Select the time. Here you will find one more option called Try a different timer. Tap on it and you can select a time from here as well. So guys, in this way, you can send disappearing messages on WhatsApp using your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any kind of questions, then feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay tuned.